What you're seeing right now is the exact moment a massive avalanche crashes straight into skiers at La Flégère above the alpine town of Chamonix. Within seconds, a huge wall of snow moves at terrifying speed, sweeping across 2 ski runs and burying 3 people up to their necks. Witnesses nearby had just enough time to escape, sliding away as rescuers rushed in immediately. More than 60 rescuers and search dogs were deployed to the scene, fearing there could be more victims trapped underneath. Luckily, all 3 skiers were found alive. But here's the scary part. Experts say this winter has created a dangerous, persistent, weak layer. A soft, fragile snow layer hidden beneath heavy slabs. Meaning, sometimes, it only takes one skier to trigger an entire mountainside to collapse. And with avalanches already claiming dozens of lives across Europe this season, this could have ended very differently.
Thanks for watching and stay tuned. The next story may be even bigger. Goodbye.